Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to deliver my lecture on Stone Age. In previous video we learned Stone Age tools, Old Stone Age, Paleolithic Age, and now we will learn Middle Stone Age. Okay students? Middle Stone Age or Mesolithic Age. Meso means middle. Homo sapiens in the Middle Stone Age continue to make progress in many different ways. They domesticated the dog. Homo sapiens Middle Stone Age में continue to make progress in many different ways. यानी Old Stone Age में उन्होंने शुरू करना स्टार्ट कर दी थी टूल्स मेकिंग टूल्स, बट यहाँ पर उनके अंदर प्रोग्रेस आना शुरू हो चुका था. मेनी डिफरेंट वेज दे डोमेस्टिकेटेड द डॉग्स ड्यू टू चेंजेस इन द क्लाइमेट एंड द एनवायरमेंट इन मिडिल स्टोन एज. Due to changes in the climate and the environment in the Middle Stone Age, the way of life humans had begun to change. Besides hunting, Homo sapiens had started to harvest food grains that grew in the wild and domesticated animals. Now, look at this picture. In Middle Stone Age, the stone blades used to make implements were removed from the stone by the fluted core. Look this. This is a fluted core. This is a fluted core technique. Flute means a long parallel-sided depression on the stone, and core means the original stone from which the blades are removed. See this. This is the fluted core. Flute means long and parallel. And now, after the blades were removed from the stone from the sides, remaining core had such flutes on all sides. Blades removed with this technique are very minute, the size of a nail or slightly bigger. Hence, they are called microlithics. This is a microlithic. This is a microlithic. Microlithic means nail or slightly bigger. Nail or slightly bigger. This is a nail or slightly bigger. Hence they are called as microliths. Micro means very small and lithos. Micro means very small and lithos. In the Middle Stone Age, arrows were made by fixing microliths. See these arrows. In the Middle Stone Age, arrows were made by fixing a microliths at the tip of stakes. And now a knife with a edge and light saw made by fixing a microliths Middle Stone Age. And now this is a fish hook of bones Middle Stone Age. All of these tools belong to Middle Stone Age. Their diet now included various plant foods. They also began to settle in one place for a part of the year. Domestication of sheep and goats also goes back to this period. Taking all this into account, it appears that Homo sapiens now needed several different types of tools that were light in weight and durable for a variety of tasks, such as hunting, fishing, harvesting, cutting of trees, etc. He used to make implements like the knife and the sickle by firmly fixing a row of blades as small as fingernails into a groove in a bone or a piece of wood. See a knife with an edge and a saw made by fixing microlithics Middle Stone Age. Make implements like the knife and the sickle by firmly fixing a row of blades and smaller as fingernails. Many sites of the Middle Stone Age have been found in India, among them Bagor in Rajasthan, Bhimbakta in Madhya Pradesh, Langnach in Gujarat, and Patani in Jalgaon district in Maharashtra are well-known ones. In Middle Stone Age, began to settle in one place for a part of the year. ये जो मिडिल स्टोन एज है ये डिफरेंट टाइप के टूल्स भी बनाने के साथ साथ इन्होंने क्या करना है, दे डोमेस्टिकेटेड द डॉग्स ड्यू टू चेंजेस इन द क्लाइमेट एंड एनवायरनमेंट इन द मिडिल स्टोन एज। और ये द वे ऑफ लाइफ ऑफ ह्यूमंस हैड बिगैन टू चेंज, और इन्हीं से जो ह्यूमंस की लाइफ हैड बिगैन टू चेंज। Besides hunting, Homo sapiens had started to harvest food grains that grew in the wild and to domesticate animals. Homo sapiens ने क्या started किए, हार्वेस्टिंग, फूड को ग्रेन ग्रीव करना स्टार्ट कर दिया और एनिमल्स को डोमेस्टिकेट करना शुरू कर दिए। दे डाइट नाउ इंक्लूडेड वेरियस प्लांट्स फूड्स ऑल्सो, और उनके डाइट प्लान में उन्होंने दूसरे जो वेरियस प्लांट्स है उसको भी इंक्लूड किए फूड्स में। began to settle one place for a part of the year, और ये डोमेस्टिकेशन ऑफ एनिमल्स, कौन से एनिमल्स को डोमेस्टिकेट करने लगे, शीप गोट्स, गोज बैक टू दिस पीरियड। Talking all this into account, it appears that Homo sapiens now needed several different types of tools that were light in weight and durable for a variety of tasks, such as hunting, fishing, harvesting, cutting of trees, etc. He used to make implements like. Okay, many sites of this middle stone age have been found in India, और middle stone के जो भी middle stone have been found in India among the बागोर in राजस्थान। कहाँ पर मिले, पाए गए, ये फाउंड किए गए, बागोर इन राजस्थान, भीमबक्ता इन मध्य प्रदेश, हलांगना जी इन गुजरात एंड पाटनी इन जलगांव डिस्ट्रिक्ट। महाराष्ट्र आर वेल नोन वंस, महाराष्ट्र जो है ये वेल नोन वंस है मिडिल स्टोन एज। I hope everyone are understood. Thank you students.